In Santa Cruz County, California, Rosenthal Plumbing is a great option for sewer pipe burst repair. Their team of expert plumbers has a great deal of expertise dealing with sewage line difficulties. They are well equipped to identify and resolve a wide range of issues, from serious blockages or clogs to tree root damage to pipe damage. Are you looking for sewer pipe burst repair in Santa Cruz County, CA? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Plumbing. How long does it take to fix a broken sewer pipe? Typically, repairing a simple ruptured sewer pipe could take many hours or perhaps a whole day. The repair procedure could take several days in more serious situations, such as those that call for significant excavation or the replacement of substantial stretches of sewer pipe. How serious is a cracked sewer pipe? If a cracked sewer pipe is not fixed right away, it might cause more serious complications. Even a little crack can spread and result in serious damage to your property. Sewage leaks may result from it, contaminating nearby soil or water sources, producing unpleasant smells, and causing water damage. Where is your service area? Santa Cruz, San Jose, Los Angeles, Pedley, Modesto, Fresno, Sacramento, Mira Loma, San Francisco, Fontana, Rialto, Moreno Valley, San Bernardino, Norco, and Redlands are among the communities that Rosenthal Plumbing is happy to serve. Where is your Rosenthal Plumbing located? We are located at 2264 Chanticleer Avenue, Santa Cruz, CA 95062, United States. Our phone number is 831-318-5470. Visit our website, https://www.rosenthalplumbing.com/.